even sure if they're in here, but these are all handy. This one's a window projector kit. I don't believe you can buy it in a bricks and mortar shop in Australia anymore, but I have seen they're still available in eBay. They used to sell them at Bunnings. I've had these for a few years and I find that they work pretty well. Oh, these are my googly eyes that go into the pot in the pet cemetery. All I do is, let's see, switch that on and it's still going. So I'll be using that again this year. I might even wear them this year. Every year it's a little bit different. These are the tarot cards. I didn't use those last year. I'm probably going to use them this year. I'll set my witch up to sit at the table and she'll have the tarot cards out. Or they may be around my Madame Leota display. Well, my daughter, she loves Halloween and she likes to buy all the real pretty things. She got this at a shop in Australia called Dusk. And it's a light. It's so gorgeous. I don't know if they'll have them this year. There's a little witch sitting in a pumpkin. I wonder if they have similar things like this in America. I would probably assume so. It's really sweet. I won't get those ones out yet because we're still a fair way away and they won't be for the outdoor decorations. That'll be for the indoor dinner or whatnot we might have. Pumpkin crumble. That's a candle with a scent in it. Again, one of my daughter's purchases. Oh, look, there's not much point me getting it out because you're not going to be able to smell it. But it's beautiful. It's got a little design on it. It does smell nice. Oh, now I wish I could find these now. These are spotlights. I haven't got the batteries in them, but these are awesome. They're little battery operated spotlights, so I don't have to worry about whether the sun's charging the solar ones or not, and I can put them anywhere and I don't need a cord for them. They're pretty powerful. I haven't got any batteries in them yet, but gosh, I wish I knew where I could find some more of these. I've gone back to the original shop a few times, which is the Overflow in Brisbane, but I cannot find these anywhere. Let me know if you see any of these around in a shop. That'd be great. Oh, awesome. Gosh, about 15 years ago, before I was into Halloween, my daughter wanted to have a Halloween party instead of a birthday party, and I made these bats out of some black cardboard, and I mean, so simple. You just draw a shape similar to that and the wings and 3 little points underneath and meet the body underneath and put some little star eyes on, or maybe something else you can find that's a bit better, and you put some glue tack on and you can stick it to the walls. And these were for inside initially, but I put them under my awning now, and honestly, look at them. They're good. You just got to look after the things that you make, and you can get them out year after year and you don't have to go to the trouble of making them again. See, I've got lots of them. The red ones. Oh, another red one. silver ones. Some of them, you know, have fallen apart, but, you know, 15 years use, not bad, is it? Now, I initially bought 2 of these. These are awesome too. They haven't got the batteries in them yet, but what they do is they can be flashing on and off all the time, or you can set them so that they're sound activated. So someone comes past and they're talking or excited and they bump them or make a loud noise, they'll go off, and they play some pretty awesome music that's based on, well, partially taken from one of Bach's numbers, and I really do love these ones. A book of spells. So that can go on the table somewhere, shown off with the witch, I suppose, or perhaps Madame Leota again. If someone picked them up, they would find some spells in there. Picked it up, I should say. Right, this is a cross that I made. I hang that on the front door now. These were scrap pieces of wood that I salvaged from a plant stand that was going to go to the tip. So what I did was I sawed off these pieces and put that across the middle, and I've just secured that with a piece of string. And at the back's a loop, so I can hang that onto my door. And for a final touch, I hang some garlic over the top. This isn't part of my Halloween display, but I think because my themes are pretty tame, I don't want to frighten little kids. So they go in the house near my daughter's bedroom because she's got a bit of a ghoulish sense of humour, and she's the one who bought them in the first place. So there's no little twinny ghosts in there, so I'll wrap these up and we'll open up the other one.